Hello, this is Jammal Baba. Today is November 3rd, 2023. It's Friday. I want to visit one of Abibu's historical documentation of the scene of Lagos Island. And this has to do with the crowning of the king of Lagos. The song was done for Chief Gbadeṣere Amusa Bajulaye. It was the Eletu Odibo during the crowning of Musendiku Adele. Who is, or what is Eletu Odibo? So Eletu Odibo is part of the Akarigbe white cap chief on Lagos Island. Their ancestors were the 10 chiefs that accompanied Adele to Lagos from Benin. So you see a lot of their titles of Benin extract. So that was in 1690. They accompanied Adele to Lagos in 1690. So Chief Gbadeṣere Amusa Bajulaye, his paternal line was the Bajulayes, but his maternal line was Eletu Odibo line. Ìdílé ìyẹ́ Eletu Odibo, ìdílé bàbá Bajulaye. Orígun mẹ́rin là ń bímọ, tí ò bá jẹ́ léyà jẹ́ ti bàbá. In this case, oyè ìdílé ìyá ẹ̀ ló jẹ́. So, let's listen to it from Abibu's point of view. Historical documentation. Abibu's always nailing it. Baraliyami Baba Abdul Latif. Baraliyami Baba Abdul Latif. Abdul Fatai. Baba Muiba Oluwa mama jẹ́ ó pàṣán. Òtú òro ẹnìkan ò lọ, agbada ò gbóná ìgbàdo ò ta. So the drum ní Eletu òro ẹnìkan ò lọ, because it's the head of the Akarigbe, is the head of the white chiefs. So when they are at the meeting, he conducts the meeting. Other than the king, Eletu Odibo is the head of the Akarigbes. So until he finished conducting the business, then the meeting is not adjourned. Eletu òro ẹnìkan ò lọ. Sometimes they'll say, Eletu òro ẹnìkan ò lọ. Eletu òro. Until he adjourns the meeting is not. It's not over. You can, I just get up and say, "Oh, I gotta go." Let's keep going. Maria mi, ọkọ Maria ni, ọkọ Mudalatu. two wives, Maria and Mudalatu. Yami ọkọ Mudalatu, ọkọ Safura Olúwa mama jẹ́ ó pàṣán. Olúwa má jẹ́ ó pàṣán. I just came to, may you not be a failure in life. He called the name of his three wives. Then he wrapped it up with prayer. May you not be a failure in life. Gbàgbé ìrántọ́lọ́run. In that drum, ẹran tí Ṣàngó bá pa àpagbé, ẹran tí Ṣàngó ò pa ó ṣọpẹ́. Ẹran tí Ṣàngó bá pa àpagbé, ẹran tí Ṣàngó ò pa ó ṣọpẹ́. Because there's no one to report Ṣàngó to. When he snatch your livestock. You hear that? Eletu Odibo, ẹnìkan ò lọ, àgàdà ò gbóná. That's what I was telling you guys. Until he finished conducting the meeting, nobody lives. Eletu Odibo, ẹnìkan ò lọ, rose to get up. The sign of adjoining the meeting. Eletu Odibo, ẹnìkan ò lọ. Until he finished conducting the business. Àgbàdà ò gbóná, ìgbàdo ta. Until the grill is hot enough. The popcorn doesn't pop. The corn does not pop. So until it rise up, that's when the meeting is adjourned. Everything has been conducted. Now, we're done. Gbóná ìgbàdo ta, Gbadeṣere Amusa. Safura olùgbé fọba lẹ́nu wá. Ọkọ Safura ló gbádé fún ọba lẹ́nu wá. Is the one that crowned the king. At Enowa is where they crowned the king of Lagos. So, Chief Gbadeṣere Amusa, the Eletu Odibo, was the one that crowned the Oba Musendiku Adele. Adeniji Adele Musendiku was the one that crowned him. Ipa ni ayé ní ìṣẹ̀dá ni ayé ní ṣe ni ayé là ń fi inú wọn tó ń dà ní. Ayé ló ń pa ni, ayé ló ń dà ní, ayé tá ń fi inú wọn tó ń dà ní. Only the people that know your ins and out are capable of betraying you. The people that don't know you can't betray you. It is the people that within you, in that circle, they are the one that can betray you. Look where, Into sumoni ló mọ̀ ṣe ẹni. Ayé ló ń I'm faster there for you guys to hear it again. Ṣe ni ayé tá fi inú Ọlọ́run wá. Mo ti faster there. Ni ayé ni ṣe ni ayé tá fi inú Ọlọ́run wá. Dákun yàyà gàsíkì yàyà mi àlò. Àgbẹ́kẹ̀ láyé ẹ̀dá asán lọ àgbàdà ògbóná ìgbàdúrà rí wọn lóde tí wọ́n ń jẹ tí wọ́n mu tí wọ́n ń ṣe fàájì. Àmọ̀tẹ́gàn kan bí ó bá ṣe bí àjẹ́ wíṣkì. When you see them at social gathering, Tegan call, we're not bragging, we're not bragging, we're not trying to taunt anybody. Tẹ́ bá rí wọn lóde tí wọ́n ń jẹ tí wọ́n ń mu tí wọ́n ń ṣe fàájì. Àmọ̀tẹ́gàn kọ́ bí ó bá ṣe bí àjẹ́ wíṣkì. Meaning they don't go for cheap drinks. Oyibo go. They don't drink cheap drinks. But bottom line, let's go back to the message. Gbadeṣere Amusa Eletu Odibo. Olugbo gbade fún ọba Adele Musendiku. Lọ́jọ́ yẹn àná. Ìdílé ìyẹ́ Eletu Odibo. Ìdílé bàbá ẹ̀ Bajulaye. There's not much drum in there. Àpagbé ẹran tí Ṣàngó bá pa àpagbé. Eletu òru ẹnìkan ò lọ. Tẹ́ bá rí wọn lóde tí wọ́n ń jẹ tí wọ́n ń mu tí wọ́n ń ṣe fàájì. Àmọ̀tẹ́gàn kọ́ bí ó bá ṣe bí àjẹ́ wíṣkì. Ẹran tí Ṣàngó bá pa àpagbé, ẹran tí Ṣàngó ò pa kó ṣọpẹ́. Don't forget your Doremis. You guys remain blessed. Leave comments. Especially those of you that might be related to these stories. Leave comments. I want to hear what you have to say about it. So if you are connected to the Eletu Odibo, if you are connected to the Bajulaye family, or if you are of Isaleko extract, leave comment.